my channel. I am sorry about my voice. I am a little bit sick, but we are still gonna power through this. The show is gonna go on. Today I'm super excited. We are going to be doing a try on and review and unboxing of my Frock Box. It's my subscription clothing box. If you guys haven't heard of this before, you're about to hear it right now. If you haven't been here before, then welcome to Glam Girl Gabby. This is your space to come hang out, learn about everything related to hair, makeup, and fashion. I launch a video every single week. I would love for you to be a part of the community. So if you haven't done so already, then don't forget to subscribe down below, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification button so that you know when these videos are up. So what is Frock Box? How does it work? First of all, this is a Canadian company. So it's a new shopping experience for Canadian women. Shop in the comfort of your own home. That's what they say on the website. So pretty cool. If you are Canadian and you are looking for a clothing subscription box, then definitely look into this one. I have been looking for some for a while, and a lot of them don't ship outside of the States. This one is based out of St. Albert in Edmonton, which is actually where my parents live. It's hilarious, but I love supporting Canadian companies and supporting locals, so check this out. So how it works. Step number one, you want to choose your Frock Box. There's 3 boxes to suit your needs. So if you want unique, affordable pieces that you can say yay or nay to, you pick the favorites box. That is the box that I have, but I'm gonna let you know what the other boxes are as well. Box number 2 will help you with on-trend outfits with wardrobe basics. So that's the gold. So that's, if you want to build all of your, basics in your wardrobe and your essential pieces, you're going to select the gold. Or if you want to build your accessory collection with Canadian made jewelry, then you are going to select the jewel box. I'm gonna run through this with you, okay? Now that we know the 3 different boxes, I'm only gonna be talking about the favorites because that is the one that I am subscribed to. All right, so once you get into the Frock Box website, you need to fill out your style profile. So we're gonna fill out our height here. I am 5'9". We're gonna fill out our weight. I'm 133 pounds, our bra size, our shoe size, our hair color, and we are gonna click continue. From there, we're gonna choose what size of top we usually use, what size of pant we usually use, and then what our ideal price point per piece is. So I like a mix of prices and quality. I'm gonna tell them my profession, my birthday, and then you can even leave a direct link to your Pinterest board, which is super cool. So you can go on Pinterest, you can kind of pin a ton of different outfits that you are into, that you feel vibe with your style, and you can show them that board so that they can pick pieces that are going to fit you in terms of style, taste, and also in terms of actual measurements of your body. Then they're gonna ask you for your lifestyle. I would say that I'm trendy and sexy. I like a little boho, I like some romantic pieces. So then it's gonna tell you what kind of items you wanna receive. So I like dresses, pants, shirts, sweaters, tank tops. It will ask you for your style icon, Jennifer Lopez, baby, all the way. And then your color palette. So I like bold, warm tones, I like jewel tones. I like neutrals as well. I just don't really like pastel, so I didn't put that in. And then the stores that I like to shop at. Dynamite, Guess, Marciano, and then it asks you for any thoughts, requests, or comments for your stylist. So I wrote in, I am a fashionable stylist who isn't afraid to wear cool and trendy clothes. I love getting dressed up and having unique items in my wardrobe. For the favorites, your stylist is going to put together a selection of items that they think would look good on you, and they're also going to show you what goes well together. You are going to get this piece of paper in your Frock Box. It's going to list all of the items with the sizes and how much every single item costs. The styling fee is $24.95 per month with free shipping. However, if you keep 1 item or more, that styling fee gets deducted from your total bag. So you don't have to pay that styling fee if you decide to keep an item. If you don't decide to keep anything, you return everything back. You will get a postage that is already all done up. This bag can be resealed. You put everything back in here, put this on the bag, and send it back. It's super easy. And basically you only get charged the styling fee. Again, if you keep some items, that item minus the styling fee is what you end up paying for. So it's really not a bad deal. If you love every single thing in your box, you end up getting 25% off the total. So that's an incentive for you to keep everything. If you like every single thing you received, everything gets deducted by 25% minus the styling fee. So it ends up, you know, being quite affordable. The cool thing here is that your box gets better over time because your stylist starts to get to know you. So according to this little sheet, it tells you the item number, and the item number description's up here. You write down if you're keeping or returning it. You write down the size and fit and the style. If you loved it, liked it, it's all right, or hated it. Over time, your stylist is gonna start to recognize what works for you, what doesn't work for you, what's fitting you and what's not, and they can make your box better. So that's pretty cool. This is the second month that I am doing it. The first month I got some really cool pieces and actually got a crap load of compliments. I couldn't believe it. I got a furry vest, I got some sweet jeans, and I got compliments everywhere I went. So the stylist was definitely listening to my measurements and definitely checked out my Pinterest board because I could really see what was on Pinterest that she pulled from. I had a lot of like furry coats on my Pinterest board, and I saw furry coats in my actual, you know, box. Like there was a really cool furry vest that I have kept. So that is really, really cool. So let's go through the box and see what I got. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm so excited. Okay, so outfit number one is this romper with these little bell sleeves, and then it's tied in the back. This is by a company called Stylist. This is so cute, holy smokes. So this is $89.99. This is adorable. I'm definitely feeling this one. Wow, good job, Frock Box. This is so me, it's not even funny. Outfit number two is the Dex short sleeve ultra suede dress. This is hilarious because I have this dress. I bought this dress at the Bay in baby blue like forever ago, so they totally like know my style to a T. So I already own this dress, so this one's gonna go back, but it goes to show that they definitely pay attention to what you're into because I already own this, which goes to show, you know, how much I do actually like this type of style. And this one is $64.99. My next one is this classic coated pant. So this is like a pleather pant by One Fashion, and this one is $54.99, and they tell me in my little pamphlet that I should pair it with this rolled down turtleneck sweater with a round hem, which is $109.99. Okay, so this rolled down turtleneck sweater is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I absolutely love the pink. I love hot colors like this. So these two guys are supposed to go together, and I just like love how this looks. I think this is so cute and this is so me. The next one that I have is this turtleneck sweater. The color of this is beautiful again, and it's super soft. This one's $89.99, so $90, but this one is one that is 50% off. So it would be, you know, $45, which is really not bad. Super, super, super soft. And then finally, we have the Dex long pencil sweater skirt for $44.99, and this one is also 50% off, which would then bring it down to about $22. Again, super, super cute. It's long. I don't have anything like this. I think this would be so great for the winter to wear with some opaque tights. So all in all, Frock Box is freaking awesome. If you guys want to try Frock Box and don't want to have to pay the subscription box from the favorites, then use my code. I'm going to be leaving it in the comment section below and in the description box below. This is something that is really, really cool if you want to get a stylist to put together unique, cool, classic pieces for you with no commitment or no hassle. If you don't like the pieces, you put them back in the same bag, attach the label, ship it back, and away you go. Great job, Frock Box. Whoever came up with this company is pretty damn cool. I think the pieces are so unique and fun, and it's just like super exciting to get in the mail. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, subscribe down below and check out these fashion videos if you want to learn more. As always, I love you, and I'll see you next week.